Hey guys, this is OnePlus 6T. The OnePlus 6T is fully revealed by a Twitter account named Ishan Agarwal. He tweeted today that, so here is the big OnePlus leak exclusively by me. Full specs of OnePlus 6T earlier ones were wrong and product images detailing new features. Great, right. More in this thread itself. Brand new display and 20 megapixel front camera. It's one hell of a T upgrade. Your thoughts? Hashtag OnePlus 6T. Guys, look at the display of this phone. This is hell beautiful. OnePlus 6T phone will arrive with a new 6.4-inch optic AMOLED display and a tiny water drop notch at the top, allowing for a screen-to-body ratio of 86%. Apart from boasting a bigger display than its predecessors, the OnePlus 6T will also be the company's first smartphone to come with a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass 6 to protect the display. Another impressive feature of the OnePlus 6T will be the screen unlock technology. Thanks to an in-display fingerprint sensor, and now users can unlock the device quickly and easily. OnePlus 6T will be powered by the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset. If we talk about RAM and ROM, the OnePlus 6T will have 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The OnePlus 6T will come equipped with a 16 megapixel plus 20 megapixel dual camera setup at the rear. Similar to the OnePlus 6, both the 16 megapixel primary and 20 megapixel secondary sensor will be coupled with an f1.7 aperture. The smartphone will also offer useful camera features such as quick capture to snap photo instantly, portrait mode, and super slow-mo video recording in HD resolution. On the front of the handset will be a 20 megapixel selfie camera coupled with an f1.7 aperture. Keeping the lights on will be a 3700 mAh battery. The OnePlus 6T will not include a 3.5mm headphone jack, which means users will need to use the USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter to connect wired handset. The OnePlus 6T will ship with the latest Android 9.0 Pie operating system out of the box. So that's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, peace out.